How to see liked videos on Pinterest. It's pretty quick and easy, so before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Pinterest and make sure that you have a latest version of Pinterest app. Now you can see your liked videos and posts and pins and board, whatever it is, on your Pinterest app. Now I'm randomly like any video here. Just tap on it, like this video and check if it's working or not. It's done. Just now click on your profile icon at the right bottom of your screen. Now click on the three dots at the very top of your screen. Just right to that download option. Go to your settings. Now you can see the option home feed tuner. Just click on that one. Now you can see your activity. Now you can see your liked videos. Just tap on it and you can see all the videos with time here. And this way you can see your liked videos, pins and boards on Pinterest. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye and thanks for watching.